Hey guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Ipsy's November Glam Bag unboxing. So if you want to see what I got this month, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Alright, so y'all know how this goes. Got my Glam bag. Wow, let's see what it is. It's actually sealed this time. Okay, let's pull out the card first. Oh, I'm chewing gum. Sorry guys, forgive me if me actually enjoyed the video. Okay, sorry, I'm just put it in its fresh and not put it down. Alright. So it says Ipsy Rock Starlet, November 2016. This is what the card looks like. And it says rock out like a knockout. Yeah, rock out like a knockout. All right, so that's that for the bag. I mean, the card. Ooh, okay. I love how it feels. None of the other ones that I've gotten felt like this. It's soft and it's gold. Oh, not it's gold, but it has gold accents and pictures and stuff on it. So there's like a picture of like lipstick, a makeup brush, a makeup palette. It's really, really cute, and it's navy blue and gold. Same thing on each side. Nope. All right. Anything else? Any surprises? No? Okay. Let's get to the fun part. Okay. First thing I see is this Absolute New York matte lipstick, and it's in a red color, dark red. Let me see if I can open it and swatch it. Yo, packages are not my best friend. You get wait, hold on. Like, what do I have nails for? They serve no purpose. Alright. Pick off the lid same time. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It opened on its own. One of them turn up ones there. Let me just. Alright. I don't want to say it goes on like chalky-ish, but it is really, really matte. If you can see it. Is, but it's creamy at the same time, so I don't feel like it would be one of those chalky ones, which is good. Okay, next, more mascara. I guess you can never have too many, right? You know. Mad Lash Black Mascara, the Bomb. Is that what it's called? The Bomb? I don't know. I don't really. I mean, you're not gonna really see the effect of it. You know, I gotta actually put it on. So whenever I'm wearing it, I'll remember to tell you guys. Alright. Oh, wait, I can't close. Okay. Next, something from Tarte. I got another something from Tarte. Ooh, this has passion fruit. Oh, okay. What is this? Tarte. What is this? Maracuja oil. It says at night apply 2 to 3 drops of maracuja oil in your hand, rub them together and pat on clean, dry skin, on face and neck. This powerful multitasking elixir can also be used to help soften cuticles, tame flyaways, condition split ends, and hydrate dry skin and rough patches. Let's see what it looks like. The packaging is really, really cute. Oh, it's so cute. Whoa. Oh, okay. Tarte products, yeah, I have to make sure it's a non-touch for my hand because them something I look very here. Pure Leaf Prevent Blue Lotus Balance Moisturizer. Hydration, fine line prevention, perfect for under makeup. Normal, dry, sensitive. So it's a moisturizer from Blue Lotus, no, from Pure Leaves. And then, oh, I finally got a makeup brush. Oh my god! This is from something Glam. Miss Glam. It's SL Miss Glam. I don't know, but I finally got a makeup brush. Angled eye. Angled eye, baby. Angled eye. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. I know I'm getting brushes for Christmas, but I'm excited. Your girl has none, okay? So yeah, that's what I got in my glam bag for November. If you got your Ipsy glam bag, comment below. Let me know what you guys got. If you guys know how I can use some of these products like this. I know it says at night, but what is it good for? This moisturizer, what am I going to use it for? Comment below, let me know. And I'll see you guys next month in my December glam bag unboxing. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. And again, I'll see you guys in my next video.